Ano po epekto, Secretary? Kasi nakita ko na natapyasan ng 6 billion ang tupad. Ano pong epekto ho nito other than mababawasan yung, I'm sure mababawasan yung number of beneficiaries, no?
Tama po, mababawasan talaga.
To keep it simple, merong 4.2 million ang nakuha ng tupad in 2024. Mababawasan 1/3. No? So almost 1 million more or less. No, so meron ba itong overall impact to our employment situation?
Unang-una po na impact nito, definitely with respect ho ito sa number of beneficiaries. And when we say impact on the side of the beneficiaries, lalo na ho in times of calamities, in times of emergencies, it has been emphasized that this is a stopgap measure. This is temporary employment. At the time na nawalan ho ng trabaho ang isang manggagawa at walang ibang pagkukunan ng sources para ho sa pamilya nila, yung tupad ho ang isa sa sumasalo. So maaring malaking maging kawalan sa kanila ho yun. So kung mababawasan yung suporta in terms of financial, definitely may domino effect ho yun. Not only in terms of the number, but in terms of the quality of intervention for our people who need us the most in times of emergencies and calamities.